Ito nga sila. Ang try ko ba? Kung tayo nakapasok, tapos nanonood tayo ng basketball, no? Ayan, nagkaguluhan na sila doon.
Happy birthday. I hope you had a great time and spend your day.